Which statement about R-410A is true? A. Certain concentrations of R-410A with air can become combustible. Never mix R-410A with air or oxygen for either leak testing or pressurizing a system. B. R-410A has lower performance compared to R-22 system. C. R-410A is replacing R-134a D. All the above statements are true.
Hello. I am working on your question. I'm Phil, mechanical engineer/electrical, boiler, and HVAC contractor retired. Allow time for me to pull manuals, do CAD drawings for you or type a response before terminating our discussion, please. I will always stay with you to the very end. I sleep at night, however. A is the correct answer.
Thank you. A recovery cylinder which is half full of recovered R-410A at 90 degrees Fahrenheit, in the absence of non-condensables, will be pressurized to A. 175 sig. B. 275 sig. C. 375 sig. D. 475 sig.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.